Right, this week's job is like a rewire of a kitchen essentially. New tiles back to the board, cooker circuit, lighting, sockets. So we're going to have some high level sockets along here, a wall light up here somewhere, big range oven going there, another wall light, socket, another socket, low level socket, a sink going here somewhere, a couple sockets, another socket, and I think a socket, light switch, and then we've got a understairs WC. So that'll be extracted out somewhere and out. I think the fan for the oven will be going up and out that way. It's a lovely cold morning, week before Christmas. Alright, so it's about dinner time now. I got most of my ring in. Well, I got the whole ring in really. It's got a bit more tying up to do. Clip him up. I'll pan you around now. Got our socket. Goes up. Got some more sockets. Socket. Got a light switch to go there. Good thing is, it's being dot and dabbed. So, just had to chase the back boxes in a bit. Yeah, getting there. 10mm and 2 legs of 2.5. It's gone through the floor here, up through this floor, and just caught up here for now. This is all going to get boxed in, so I'm going to put a bit of trunking at the side here. and then up into the consumer unit, which is up in here. He's having a 15 kilowatt oven put in, so I'll just put in 10 mil. Oh. The lighting is in now. Bit of duct lighting and whatnot in the toilet, and sockets all in. Cooker supply. Got a additional socket there. That's it, done. Done till they dot and dab it and board it and whatever else they got to do. Chuck their muck everywhere.